Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and we are gonna jump in, another look. So if you want to see what palette I use and what look I come up with, if you already know what to do, keep on watching. Bam. Okay, so today we're gonna play with Olori 2. I wasn't sure if I was gonna play with this palette because I do a lot of blue looks on my channel, but then I'm like, why not? Why not? So she looks like so. And after this, I will give Juvia's place a break. But I might have to put something darker because I feel like this blue might not be as dark as I want to go. So there's only one matte shade in there, unfortunately. I don't know. Let's see. I haven't used guards in a minute, so today we're gonna guard it up. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, which is the only matte shade in the palette, and we're gonna go to town. And I put this on a 204 from Makeup by Yolondo, her white 10 brush set. And I'm just tapping it. And when I get to the edges, I'm just buffing it up. And just tap this nicely so you get all the pigmentation. And when I get here, I'm barely like tapping this, just really light. Like so. Okay. Now I'm trying to think of what I do here. Guys, don't feel bad too, like sometimes you go into a look and you're like, oh, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, because it just sometimes it doesn't come to you right away, and that's okay. That is perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine. This is a chrome brush, and this is the SS012, and I need a little bit of glue. I know that kind of like rhyme. Yeah. So technically, if you want, you could just almost like leave this like this, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm extra like that. Because I'm extra. Let's go into this blush. This is 215. I'm not sure which shade I should go into. Let's go into this shade. Let's go into this shade. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. That might be a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna put it like in the rear, like in a canal. Just to break down the blue just a little bit. It's not too harsh. And now I can't find that blue brush. It's right here. Because now we're gonna go back to that first blue. See, I thought I was gonna like need a darker blue, but no, I think like the blue is fine. Yeah. That's see how quick this look was, guys. Like, this is so quick. Now I feel like since I'm on camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner. I usually don't do that on camera, but we're gonna go ahead and do that today. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done. You know, I feel great about this, you know, blue look. Like, that is, you know, my jam. Like, I do so many blue looks on my channel. So maybe I've perfected a green quick look. Like, I can do it pretty quickly. Not green, sorry, blue. Because I feel like I do blue looks all the time. Hopefully pretty soon I'll stop unwrapping these, because I taped them up when I was traveling, just, you know, so they don't spill all over the place. I'm gonna use my Milk Hydro Grip because I am going out. And this is my go-to when I'm going out, because, you know, I have to wear a mask. Okay, let's go in with foundation. I'm gonna mix this too. So this is 12.5. So 12 is too light. This is so wild. 12 is too light, but 12.5 is too dark. So we just do this. So if 12 is too light, then 12.5 should be perfect. So do I need 12 1/4? I mean, I don't know. See, because this is, you see the difference? It's such a huge difference. And then let's go in where, if I can find my foundation brush. Nope, that's gonna be my concealer. Let me put it here because, you know, when I'm ready, I'm not gonna find it. When I'm ready, I'm not gonna find it. It's literally right in front of me. And that's my Flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo. Yeah, I like this one. I never really checked to see if they have like a kind of a 12 1/4. I need to look, because I feel like that would be my perfect shade. You just tap that in. This brush is amazing for foundation. If I use a brush for my foundation, it's like great, because I am very picky with my foundation brushes, and I don't want any streaks, no streaks. It's like I'll you know, take a not so great brush for blending my not foundation, sorry, my eyeshadow, which I don't really do, but you know, like you can wear a cheap top but not really a cheap jeans, because jeans gotta fit, you know. It's the same thing with this. Like I'll go with a cheap brush for, or a not so good brush for my eyeshadow, and I can work with that, but for foundation, no, I am not. We're not doing this. Like, not today, not today, or ever. Makes you flawless. This foundation is so good. Just don't like I have to mix two shades. So let's go ahead and jump in with my One Size concealer. Let's do our Makeup by Mario concealer stick. No concealer stick. I always say concealer. Contour stick. Contour. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Don't ask me why I'm making these counting songs, but you know, I'm gonna use my 405 from Makeup by Yolondo to blend out my contour. This blends well to the concealer. This concealer, in my opinion, I think it's a little bit drying. For me, it's fine. I can work with it. However, if you have dry under eye, I feel like that might become a problem for you. Or my recommendation is to use an under eye cream and don't let it sit like I do, because you might have some problem blending it. But if that does happen, just spray this some setting spray and that will go ahead and, you know, give you some movement. But I love the coverage of it, so you know. And I don't really have dry skin, so I can get away with this. So, but as I said, if you do have dry skin, this might not be the one for you. Or you'd have to moisturize heavily. And you need to be moisturizing anyway, so it's fine. So I got a little tip from Makeup by Yolondo, and I think it's such a great idea. And I've kind of moved it to, she did it for her concealer, but I've kind of moved it to my how you call that, my powder to my face as well, because it works so well for my concealer, so why not. So I'm gonna use my one size translucent powder, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I still have my concealer brush, or the brush that I use to set my concealer, which is the Slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo. So you see, nice, and so I go in with my powder like so, and I use that to just like set under my eye. I feel like it works so well when you do that. So, it's like it just kind of melts into the skin. And I know people might be like, oh, wouldn't that give you like bad skin or breakout or whatever? Not if you prime properly. I prime, and today I'm even using a sunscreen. The weather is like, as I say, I'm gonna go out and it's still during the day, so I am gonna use a sunscreen as well. Yeah, let's use honey. And the same thing, this is from Fenty. When I say same thing, I'm gonna do the same thing with my powder brush. So I go in with my powder brush and I tap it. So I could just put some like on top of here, and then we just tap. Tap, tap, tap. Isn't it like a song like this? Like tap, 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 tap in, something like that? I don't know, don't quote me on that. See how my face looks flawless? And guys, I don't use any filters in my videos. So what you see is like my actual skin. No filters here. Okay, so let's move to the lower lash line. I love how this looks, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of base, just a little bit. I think I'm gonna go with a different, I am gonna use a blue, but a different shade of blue. Just to kind of like, just mix it up a little bit. Just a little bit. So I am thinking we're gonna do this shade right here, just to break down the blue so it's not just so blue, or one shade of blue. This is what, ginger and peach. This one is really good. I am obsessed with like a good sparkling water. Obsessed. I like sparkling water. I used to do them, and I think I've kind of like converted my hobbies, because stuff like that is not really his thing, but I think he likes it now. I think he likes it. That face though. I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm gonna give it like just a very, very, very soft kind of blend, just to blend the edges a little bit. Yep, let's put this one. This is what, Odyssey? Yep, from Marc Jacobs. What am I gonna put in my inner corners? Don't ask me why I'm dancing, guys. I don't know. Maybe a little bit of glitter glue, just a little bit. I feel like I'm gonna put a gold in my inner corner, just to make it not, or maybe silver, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I'm actually mixing these two shades. I'm mixing Simone and Sandra, and I think it looks good. I'm gonna go in with this shade. Actually, at first I'm gonna go with this. Okay, now we're gonna go into this brush, and I'm gonna go into the darker shade, and I'm gonna concentrate this like right here. And I'm gonna go in with my powder, and I'm gonna use this shade in volume 1 from Juvia's Place. And we're gonna use Glam Light X Michaela. Okay, I think I want to use this lipstick. This is from by Terry, and it is the Rouge Expert Click Stick Bold Color Impact Contour Control, and it looks like so. You have to click it to get to what you need or your desired length. Oh, right here. This all worked out. This is from Patrick Tar. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I know I do a lot of blue looks on my channel, but I haven't done, you know, a blue recently, and I do know that lip is maybe a little bit bold for this look, but I wanted to try this lipstick. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.